What the flip flap is up, everybody? BVF Collection back at it again with another unboxing and wrapping. You know, you got a dual combo that. Today we got ourselves not really quite of a special unwrapping, but we got ourselves a rare piece in this one. That's for dang sure. Pretty rare, pretty limited. We're gonna see if that's real, even though, because I'm a little bit skeptical because I never really see any real ones of those, or just any of them pop up in general. But I don't think there's any reps of those being made or have been made, so thinking that's real for show. Anyways, we got ourselves a Motion logo hoodie and a Juice WRLD hat in there. Then we got the prayer shorts in here. Without further ado, let's get into it. Start off with this one. Oh. Let's go, one-handed unboxing finally. Didn't have to, do one of those or whatever. So here's the hoodie. Already off read. There is a flaw with this hoodie. I'll show you guys in a little bit. Oh, you know what? I do have to put you guys down because I can't take that out. One-handed. All right. We have made contact. And we got the hat still inside. Set that box off to the side. Let's go ahead and check out the hat first. We got ourselves the Juice WRLD hat with the, I forgot that album. But that album, you already know. Sorry, Juice WRLD fans, that annoys you guys. I don't want to butcher the name, so I'd rather just not say it all. What is that? Looks like water or something. Anyways, oh, that's where the buckle, used to be. Anyways, we got a little leather buckle. I'm vibing with that. We got this embroidery right here in the front. Then we got Made in USA. Pretty cool. Then we got this tag. I've never seen this tag on any hats quite yet, so it's pretty nice to have one now. I think that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Here's the inside. Nothing too crazy, but, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Go ahead and set that off right there. Move this actually real quick. And then let's check out the hoodie. All right. Okay. And then the logo. Boom. We get ourselves an embroidery Motion logo. Right now, from afar. Can't really tell too much, but it's pretty cool. I like these cuffs and hem. Waistband or whatever. I think these are really cool. I think that's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and check the tag. Medium. Looks like it's on a French terry type blank. Let's go ahead and check the tag underneath right here. Tag right there, Made in USA. Check out the back. Nothing's on the back, but just checking it out. So the flaws on this hoodie, I do believe, are as followed. Should be something right, no? Here. I can't recall where the flaw is. That right there, I guess. Oh, this. I remember this right here. Boom. It's basically the only flaw. Loose thread right there. Pretty cool, though. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's go ahead and get into the main attraction of today's video. The prayer shorts. Gotta breathe. All right, here we go. Oh, I might be able to do it one-handed, guys. I just might do it. Ugh. It's a lot harder than it looks one-handed, but we're getting it done. We're getting it done. Oh, this last bit, I'm just gonna, there we go. Yeah, we got a little bubble wrap action going on right there. And then the short. Oh, dude, this guy's an awesome person for wrapping it the way he did. Minimum fold crease or whatever. It's supposed to be puff print. Screen print, more like. Very flat. Let's go and open them up. Boom. The prayer shorts. So we got ourselves. Dude, I feel like this is supposed to be puff, but it's like screen print. And then this right here. Revenge logo. Pretty good condition, I'll be honest. Minimum crackage. Let's go ahead and check out the tag. Get ourselves size large right there. Some drawstrings. Any inside tag? Doesn't look like it. Let's see if there's any back pockets. We got ourselves a back pocket, guys. Let's go. All right, though. That's pretty much it. We got ourselves these shorts. These are pretty cool looking. And then there's a hoodie. But yeah, without further ado, thanks for... Oh, and the hat. Without further ado, though, I'm out of here. Hope you guys have a good one. Stay awesome. Stay amazing. You already know the vibes. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.